So we're about to do the final clean out to the last bucket
About a bucket and a quarter from Big Bear.
from Big Bear.
All right, so we're gonna start. This is the clean out material from about a bucket and a quarter of classified material that was classified down the window screen. So there's a little bit of the last of this, plus I'm gonna combine and I'm gonna add the material that I had already collected and cleaned out, which is about a rice grain's worth. So we'll see. I'll keep it on the table. See what I got in here. Probably about the same, kind of roughly the same. There you go. Not a lot, but it's always fun getting gold out of the ground. Every little speck counts, so. That's about it. Good enough. Now I always like to take apart the straw or the snuffer bottle cap and lids. You never know when a little speck gets caught up in there as well. Alright, put that aside. And tap it all together. There's one good little garnet. Those are always fun to keep too. So as you notice, I kind of tap the pan, I'll point the pan down and then tap away. You can see a little line of gold there. And then to get it cleaner, once you have it all kind of on one side, then I tap the opposite side and actually put that garnet on the table. And then I'll actually tap it to where it kind of goes upward. That's how it looks from a little bit of a different angle. And when you put together, it's a good little pile. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this and glare. It's kind of hard to see with the glare. Alright, well that's what came out last clean out. And then what I'm going to add is what we previously got. Cool. Let's give it a shot. Let's just add it all together and see what the grand total will be. One of the tools good to have is a little sucker tweezer thing here. Alright, so this is a total yeah, not bad. So this is what you expect. So compared to my finger, that's what you would expect to get out of. So I had a bucket and a quarter plus another bucket and a quarter roughly. So yeah, about 2.5 buckets. But a couple of pieces are pretty chunky. So there we go.
Bye.